Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm gonna mount the fresh water tank in this one, right there. I need to mount it underneath the bed over the wheel well. I'm not sure how it's gonna go because it's the first time I'm doing something like that. This water tank is not specific for this van, which is the Fiat Ducato. It's more like a universal tank, you know. So I need to figure it out how to mount it, how to fix the tank itself. And also it has a drain port underneath, so I need to figure it out where to make a hole in the floor through the metal floor, and it's not quite simple. So let's see how it goes. Just did a template with this insulation of the bottom of the tank, so I can mark where to make the hole. So after a couple of days of working, this is the situation right now. I placed the tank in place with this band, temporary, because I don't want to use this method to hold the tank. I install a T here because this should be the vent for the water inlet, but I will have also a filtration system to purify this water so it will be drinkable. But anyway, it's still good water for cleaning dishes and maybe even take a shower. So the return line will go here and back into the tank. Then I installed the water sensor, which is this one. You can see it down there, this one. Let me take it out. Okay, this is the sensor. It's a piezometric, I guess it's called, sensor inside here, and it's going to output a current, and it will be read by the GX tank 140. So then I have here my stainless steel flexible inlet. This is the vent, so the air can escape, and this is where the pump will suck the water out, which inside I put a little filter. There was a one-way valve inside, but I take it out because I don't need. So simple, but it prevents if any big debris is going to be in the tank. This will save the pump. The pump will have his own filter, which is more fine, and when I'm filling the tank, I will use also another filter. So the chance of having any dirt inside the tank will be minimized as possible. This is the drain valve, so it's 24 volts and with automatic return. So basically, if I apply power, it will open. When the power is removed, it will automatically close. So there is no chance that this will be opened by mistake. And now, to fix this in place, I want to use a spray foam. So I can spray a little bit on this beam underneath. So the tank will be attached to that beam. Also on the bottom, around there, and behind, and also under here, you know, over the wheel well, to fill all these gaps. So the spray foam will glue together everything, but also it's a very good insulation. So I will have more insulation right here. Then I need to cut. Actually, before doing this, I need to cut a piece of plywood to put right here to hold the weight of the tank. Of course, when I'm mounting the cabinets here, there will be a big sheet of plywood on this side, so also there will be something to hold the tank sideways. Okay, let me just cut this piece of wood and install it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so the plywood support it's fixed with some pocket holes. I just got this mono pocket hole jig by Craig. I love this stuff. The plywood it's secured. It's supporting very well the tank like this. And also I started to fill with spray foam some part, so like there, and I made a first layer here because it's so thick. You need to do multiple layers and let it expand between each other. And yeah, so it's starting to looking like a proper job. Still missing some parts here to finish this one. And yeah, so now I will just continue to glue with the spray foam, just waiting like an hour between each spray. And I think I'm good. Oh no, actually, before actually gluing the tank in place, I want to try to fill it up with water and see if my connections are leaking or not. If I see that everything it's fine, then I will glue the tank with the spray foam. So if something leaks, I can remove, and I still can remove the tank and work easier on the joints.
This looks good to me.
After a couple of days that I didn't had chance to work on it, we are back, and I just attached loosely the water pump and the accumulator tank to see how they are on top of the tank. There will be a piece of plywood on top, of course, and then I will screw the pump and the tank in the plywood. I added a few things, like, so right now we have here connected the overflow. This goes to the pump from the filter there. I added here this one small temperature sensor probe. There is no sensor in it, but I will mount the sensor inside of it. I had another piece of plywood here to hold the tank on the front. So yeah, let me finish this.
One eternity later.
I just finished to glue with spray foam the tank. So as you can see, there is a good layer of spray foam here. I just left this part right here open, but here until the bottom here it's all filled up with spray foam. Also on top here, just cut it, and some on this side here as well. Basically now the tank is fixed in place and also well insulated. Now I'm gonna put some recycled bottle insulation over the wheel well, like so, and then on top that panel of plywood right here, and over here this one, the small one, for the water pump. And then I think I'm almost done with this job and also this video. Okay, let me show you where I'm at, because I did a little bit of modification. As you can see, I changed the base for the pump. I made a bigger piece. It's more stable, attached in multiple points, you know. I cut out the holes for the inspection of the tank. I already connect the pump with a pressure gauge. I fill the tank 100% and I try to turn on the pump and put this section in pressure. So as you can see, I have pressure, and it's 1 day now, so it's maintaining the pressure. That means there's no leak from the pump until this T. This one will be mounted right here, so I can check the pressure. And from here, this is just a end cap. I will remove this one and will connect the line that goes to the kitchen. Still missing, you know, the water filtration system, but for the future. And yeah, so no leaks. I'm really happy. Okay, I attached this strip of 20mm plywood. Basically, I need this one to have something to attach the cabinet to, because I cannot use pocket holes because it's too narrow here. The drill doesn't fit, and underneath it's the same because this is the cabinet for the drawer shower. So the only way to fix this side was to use this method. On the other side, I will attach the cabinet to this wall and on the floor with pocket screws, also on the back. I moved the inverter because I'm ready to bring the cabinet in. I prepped the space. This is my reference for the facing, and I think the next step would be bring the cabinet in and fix it in place. Wish me luck.